Hey, if you've been trying to earn and make money online using different traffic strategies, but having little to no results building a business online, and you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. A couple years back, I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed, I was depressed, and I didn't know what I would do to actually get out of this situation. And it wasn't until I brought my business from offline to online and I started learning how to market a business online and have people reach out to me that I started to get results, right? So I'm going to show you exactly how you would get results building a business online. So is exactly what you're looking at is actually a capture page to where people come and they put their name and their email in. Now, if you're coming off my email list and you're looking for my email list or you're looking from YouTube, you probably came to a page like this and put your information in to get onto my list. Now, when you get onto my list, is what happens is you put your name and your email in, then it takes you to another page which shows a video of exactly what I'm doing. So you have the option to get involved. And even if you don't get involved, you're going to get a series of follow-up emails. So that way you will know more about me, what I do, and how I could help you to build your business online, right? So even if somebody doesn't buy from you at that current time, they'll still get follow-ups from you, and you'll be able to keep in touch with them on a regular basis. Like, I love talking to my email subscribers, the people that I don't know, because your best relationships with people are going to come from the people that you don't know. They're not going to come from family. They're not going to come from friends. They're going to come from people that you don't know. Those are going to be the people that support you the most in your business and help you to grow it, right? So you want to always keep a good relationship with those people. Now, when they go from this page to the sales page and they see the video and everything, they end up on your email list. Now, here's my email list. It has over 9,000 subscribers on it, and I get daily subscribers that come and they want to get on the list. So I could follow up with these people by doing a broadcast, and they would see by message. Like, I could broadcast the entire list. And so when I send emails out, like I'm going to send this email out to show you guys exactly how to build a business, right? So when you see this and you click on the link, you're going to see this video. And here's exactly how it's done, right? And to understand how a sales funnel works and everything like that, we have the the training right here. So here's the builder, and with the builder is what you get is you get a whole academy. So you're gonna learn all about having support and how to build your business in 3 simple steps. So we have the group right here, and then you're gonna learn all about the page builder. So you're gonna learn how to you know integrate your domain with the autoresponder, so that way it holds the leads and contacts the subscribers that you have on your list. You're gonna learn how to do that right here, and then you're gonna learn all about the funnel, right? So you're gonna learn how to actually do it. So if you don't have any experience with generating traffic and people who have an interest online, this is going to teach you. It's going to show you how to build out pages for anything, and then you're going to learn how to optimize for mobile, so you could use it on a mobile device. You're going to learn all about custom codes and pixels for tracking, and you're going to learn different things. Like, you're going to be able to create your own membership site. You're going to be able to create your own upsells and downsells within the funnel. So basically, if they come to a page like this and they see this video and they watch a video like this one right here, they have the option to buy it right here by clicking on this button, for example. And even if they don't buy, they'll be taken to a downsell page. Like, if they say no thanks, then they might be taken to a downsell. But if they do buy, if they do click on this video and buy, then they'll be taken to an upsell. That's the difference between an upsell and downsell. You're gonna learn all about that in here, and then is what you're also going to learn is you're going to learn how to create your own um, your own membership site. So if you've ever wanted to create a membership site, you're going to learn how to do all that. You're going to learn how to actually manage your site as well. And there's so much that you're going to learn within here, just this builder alone, that it's worth the value. You're going to get the builder itself, and so it'll actually help you to be able to make money online, and you also make a commission from the builder. So the builder is $25 a month, and you get a $20 a month commission for anybody who uses it. Now they could use it to build out websites, they could use it to build out a membership site, they could use it to build out their own products, like information products that you do by video and sell. You could do that. There's just so much you could do with this builder. It's unbelievable, and it's really really cheap, and it's really really good quality to use. And right here, so this is the traffic and conversions portion. I highly suggest when you're getting the builder that you check the box. There's a yellow box at the bottom of the page that you're going to click on that actually has 2 weeks free or premium. Premium gives you traffic and conversions training daily by Zoom. So we actually have people get on a Zoom call and they're able to ask questions and learn marketing at the same time. And it's every single day, Monday through Friday. So that's what the Traffic and Conversions Academy does. Then you learn all about traffic and conversions. So you're gonna learn about the things you need before traffic. Then you're gonna learn about free methods. So you're gonna learn how to launch your business, how to invite people, how to follow up with people. You're gonna learn how to get leads on Facebook. You're gonna learn all about video lead generation. You're going to learn about ranking videos on YouTube so they show up at the top of the search engines just like this video. You're going to learn how to actually do Facebook ads in different methods to get people to see what you have through Facebook. You're going to learn all about different things like podcasting. There's podcasting right here, but you might not want to do a podcast. You don't have to. You don't have to do all these strategies, by the way. These are just which are open to learning, how you can learn how to market online. And then there's different things right here. So if you wanted to do a blog, you would know how to do that. You would basically learn how to do, all the strategies that you could possibly want in marketing. But I suggest using Facebook, YouTube, and your email list. Those are going to be your key strategies that you use to be able to build a business online, because your email list acts as the hub to everything else. So when you do video content through YouTube, you send them your video, they watch your video, it ranks your videos in the search engines because people are watching them. Then you get people that buy from your content because they like you, and they want to do business with you, right? So that's how it normally works. And then you send people from your email list to your Facebook group. So then you're building a relationship through Facebook, through your Facebook group, which is private, which only specific people have access to. So those are the strategies that you would use. And then you would also be able to get on these calls right here, which I highly suggest that you do. There's different calls, but the main one is the Monday Night Mastermind, which is once a week, where people come out and share what they're doing in their business to get results. Then there's the Take Action Mastermind, which is daily, and it shows you what to do in your business to actually get those results every single day and have an action plan in place, right? So that's what this allows you to do. So I highly suggest that you check the box when you sign up for the funnel builder. It's going to give you an extra $100 per month per sign up. So you'll be making $120 per month per sign up, and you'll be able to actually use the internet to get results, right? And then this is just a bonus additional course. It's a financial It's a financial literacy academy, which allows you to learn all about how to manage your taxes, how to eliminate debt, and then different things. So if you want to learn how to keep your records the right way, how to manage your taxes, then when you start making money, you're going to know how to invest your money. So that's what this teaches you. This is a one-time buy. It's $500. It gives you a $400 commission. So let me just break that down to you. That's a difference. If you want to make, let's say, $3 grand per month online, it's only 25 signups to get to that, $3 grand per month. Then in addition, if everybody goes all in, that's an extra $10,000, right? So that's $10,000 that you're leaving on the table if you don't have this course. It's a one-time buy. You could do it. I highly suggest it. I did it myself, and that's how I'm able to actually make the most amount of money. So if you like this video, I look forward to working with you. Make sure you click on the links below this video to actually get started, and make sure you also get into my Facebook group. I'm going to leave the links in the description for that as well. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.